Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning in New Era. So today I will show you that how to earn money without any investment. So I have one way that you can earn money without any investment. And first of all, if you don't like my channel, so please subscribe my channel and like my video, and make sure the bell icon button, click the bell icon button. So let's get start the video. So first of all, we go any browser. This is the browser, and this is the website is minix.world. uh, so we get started. Click the button on start. So you just fill this form, enter your email and the password and the repeat password, and I'm not click the I'm not a robot. So I have already make account in this website, so I'm going direct login. So here is my login ID and my password, and click the login button. So I think the problems yeah. Okay, so now you open, so you can see that this is my account, and here is so many benefit that you can earn money in this coin, like Monero, Tron, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Litecoin. So I have mining. So I'm doing mining in Litecoin, so you can see that in a Litecoin. Okay, so you can also get the bonus. So go to the menu and click the bonus button, and here is just you can see that you power that you get the bonus here. Like click the get bonus and increase the mining power like this. So after 30 minutes, say, you can click the bonus button. So we are going again mining. So now here uh, so you can see Litecoin. So here is you can also withdraw this amount. So here is the some restriction that you must have a limited amount. You must save the limited amount, so you can withdraw also in any trust wallet. So first of all, I will save the coins, so then I will going to withdraw. So my video is enough. So I hope you like my videos, and if you have any queries, any questions, so you can comment section below. So thank you so much watching my video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.